In 2024 summer, we were in Dhikala Forest Rest House and were heading for afternoon safari with brother Irfan. Practically, we are running through a temporary wooden river bridge and rocky river bed to reach early to the other side of the river. We heard that a tigress with her three cubs were taking shelter there. The beautiful topography of the area is wavy, green, and mountainous at the bank. On reaching, we found nothing for a while. Someone told that the tigress was hiding herself in the river basin. Suddenly, she came out and was moving for long in search of the calves through dusky, misty twilight towards the bank. Our eyes were full of satisfaction and pleasure. It was an amazing experience to us. We are very happy. Hope you will like it.